Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. So students, today's video is about Cambridge Global English APSACS Edition Learners Book 2. First chapter is Look in a Book. The above given statements are about the picture given below. So students, you have to look at the picture carefully. There are 5 children reading different types of book. One is Now to Play with Paper. This book can be about some kind of crafts. The second child is reading The Snowy Day. It may be telling a story about a snowy day. The third child is reading a book about music. The book is Play and Sing. Students, we are unable to see the title of other 2 books. Let's have a reading of the chapter. Think about it. What can you find in a book? Number 1. Read and listen. Which book has stayed inside your head? इस बारे में सोचें कि आप किताब में क्या पाते हैं। नंबर 1. पढ़ें और सुनें। आपके दिमाग में या आपके जहन में कौन सी कहानी रह गई है। नंबर 2. विच बुक? लुक एट द बुक्स इन द पिक्चर. विच वन वुड यू लाइक टू रीड? वाई? Then point out to the correct book. Reading a story is a special thing. The ones that I have read, they do not stay inside the book. They stay inside my head. यानी कि कहानियाँ जो होती हैं वो बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ होती हैं और जो कहानियाँ मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ या मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ वो फिर किताब के अंदर नहीं रहती बल्कि वो मेरे जहन में आ जाती हैं। Actually, all this is about developing the habit of reading in children. Now we come to page number 7. What is on page number 7? Let's see. There are things we have seen on page number 6. Bookcase, book cover, tablet with e-book, cupboard and pages. Now there is an activity. Think about things you do at school and write a few sentences about them. For example, I have lunch at school. I eat at the canteen. I like talking to my friends during the break. Students, you can have fun and play with page number 6. Like you can find the number of chairs on page number 6. You can find the color of the ruler. In language tip, you have to learn the use of S. How you can use one thing and two things. We use is with one book and are with 2 or more books. Students, one more thing. We use is and are in present sentence, not in past or future. As tenses are of 3 types, present, past, future, but we are not going to learn them here. एक और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी एक्टिविटी आ गई यहाँ पर. यू हैव टू मेक अ कवर फॉर योर बुक. Write your name on it like this. Fizan's book, Sarah's book. On each page, draw a picture and write about you. जो बुक आपने बनानी है इसके हर सफ़े पर एक तस्वीर बनानी है और इसके बारे में लिखना है. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने अभी ऊपर पढ़ा है कि एस का इस्तेमाल किस तरह से सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के लिए करते हैं. सिंगुलर में एस यूज़ नहीं होगा और इज़ का यूज़ होगा, जबकि प्लूरल में आर के साथ एस यानी कि बुक्स. अगर बुक है तो फिर बुक्स आएगा, लेकिन एस का एक और इस्तेमाल भी है. वी यूज़ एस टू शो डैट समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू अ पर्सन अ लीज टेबल. यानी कि कोई चीज़ जब किसी इंसान के साथ ताल्लुक़ रखती है तो हम उसके नाम के साथ एस का इजाफ़ा करेंगे. इसी तरह हम कह सकते हैं अहमद्स टेबल और अहमद्स पेंसिल, अब्दुल्लाज बुक, अब्दुल्लाज कॉपी. Now look at page number 8. We are going to find out more about a book. A book cover. Look at the book cover. Who is the author? What is the title? What is the book about? Find another book in your classroom. Answer the questions again. एक किताब के बारे में हमें क्या क्या जानना चाहिए. सबसे पहले बुक का कवर, उसके बाद बुक के राइटर का नाम, उसका टाइटल क्या है, किताब किस बारे में लिखी गई है और आपकी क्लासरूम में और कौन सी किताब है। लुक एट द कंटेंट्स पेज, यानी कि किताब के कंटेंट्स पेज को देखें जिसमें लिखा होता है कि किताब किस बारे में है। इट इज़ इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ बुक, इट टेल्स यू व्हाट इज़ इन द बुक। दिस बुक हैज़ 4 chapters. There is an example book made on this page, and the contents of the book show that there are 4 chapters. Little boats, big boats, old boats, new boats, with page numbers mentioned. The pictures of 4 types of boats are given in this book. Next page. Books can be fiction or non-fiction. Some books are fiction. Fiction books tell a story. The stories are not real. Fiction books have characters. Characters are the people or animals in a story. Look at the book The Snowy Day. Who are the characters? Characters seem to be rabbit and duck. Some books are non-fiction, they give real information. Look at the books on the page. They are fiction or non-fiction. Make fantastic cakes. The Elephants of Asia. P is for Pakistan. These books seem to be non-fiction. Other 3 books seem fiction. Choose a book for these 2 children. My name is Rabia. I like learning new things. I like non-fiction. My mummy is a teacher. I think Make Fantastic Cakes is a suitable book for Rabia. The second child says, my name is Javed. I like reading funny stories about animals. I don't like scary stories. The Elephants of Asia is suitable for Javed. A book about your school. Write a book with your class. The title is Welcome to Our School. The chapters could be Our School, Our Class, Our Teacher, Our Classroom. Next page. Read, think, and say. Read the following text. What type of texts are they? Choose words from the box. Poem, story, letter, magazine, article. Sarah and Hannah live in small house on a hill. Every day they clean and take care of the house. Today they are not cleaning. They are going on a picnic. Don't forget the sandwiches, says Hannah. No, I won't. Do you have the picnic basket? Asks Sarah. Yes, I do. Suddenly it starts raining. Oh no, what are we going to do now? Says Hannah. I have no idea, says Sarah. So, this piece of writing is a story. Scientists say that life near nature is very good for you. You get fresh air and it is quiet. These things help you stay healthy. They also make you feel happy. I think living near nature is good, but there can be problems. This one is a magazine article. Non-fiction texts sometimes give an opinion. Look at text 2. Which sentence is a fact? Which sentence is an opinion? The first paragraph is a fact and the second one is an opinion. Dear Lena, how are you? I now live in a small cottage near a big forest. It's beautiful. Every day I go for a walk. I look at the trees and flowers. Sometimes I see animals too. My sister and I also. It's a letter. In a garden around my home is where I want to be, playing there every day, my friends and me. Picnics in the sun all day, sandwiches, buns, and tea, just for you and me. This is a poem. Students, you have to read the text again, discuss with a partner what each one is about. Which one do you like best and why? Find the words. Words can be verbs, action words, nouns, things, animals, or people, or adjectives, words that describe nouns. When you meet unfamiliar words, you need to find out what kind of words they are. Read the following words from the text and write them in the correct column. You can also consult a dictionary. Here I am going to complete it. Verbs: live, think, forget. Nouns: hill, cottage, nature. Adjectives: idea, quite healthy. Language detective: sometimes words can be more than one kind. You need to read and listen carefully to decide what they are. For example, walk can be both a noun and a verb. Words and sounds. Review of short vowels. Vowels and consonants. Can you remember the alphabets? Listen and sing the song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Sometimes letters are called vowels and some are called consonants. Can you name the vowels? Listen and find out. Sing the ABC song again. This time clap when you sing each vowel. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels at the beginning. Make 6 cards. Write a different vowel on each card. Say the short vowel sound. Listen and look at the pictures. Which vowel do you hear at the beginning of each word? Hold up the correct card. Do you know any other word which begin with the same vowel sound? There are 2 words with a sound: apple and ant. E for egg, O for octopus, and U for umbrella. Vowels in the middle. Listen and repeat these words. Which vowel sound do you hear in the middle? Hold up the correct card. Write the words. Look at the first 2 letters in each word. Can you put them in order of the alphabet? Say a sentence for each picture. Words: hen, cat, dog, fish. Order of the alphabet: EHNACTDGOFIHS. Sentences: this is a hen, I have a cat, this dog is white and brown, this fish is yellow. How do you spell it? It is a very interesting game and activity. Choose a picture but don't tell your partner. Your partner must ask you the spellings. Your partner writes down the word, says the word and points to the picture. CAT cat, DUCK duck, CUT cut, PAN pen, CHIPS chips, SHIP ship, SHOP shop, PEN pen, BAG bag, CATCH catch. The vowel letters in these words are underlined. Numbers 1 to 15. Write numbers 1 to 10 in words. Then listen and point to the numbers from 11 to 15. Here numbers from 11 to 15 are written in words and you can underline vowel sounds or vowel letters. How many people are there in each picture? Count aloud with a partner. In picture A there are 11 people. In picture B there are 14 people. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like our video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.